Aren't you happy you don't have to pull the weeds?
Yay!
Yay! Yay for chickens, huh? Howdy from down on the farm. As promised, we're going to take you with us to go clean up the greenhouse. I've got my basket and I have my gloves and my phone in case any of you send me a message. And an extra camera battery because probably as soon as I step out that door, this camera is going to need a new battery. So let's go get started and see what we can do out here to get ready for planting. They were happy to get a little bit of grass. You can see they don't have any grass. This is just a corner of the pasture. There's a little bit of grass there, but they pretty much mowed it down and it's not growing yet. Look! The farmer's home. Here come my helpers. 1, 2, 3. He's not smiling though. 4. He's smiling. He doesn't know what he's in for.
I do.
Trying to clean up this thing. Okay, your mission today, even if you should choose not to accept it. We need to pull the carrots out of the ground. There's 2 patches of carrots. I'll show you where they're at in a minute. And then we're gonna take these beans out just to the garden. We won't give those to the animals. And there's tea plants need to come out, and there's 2 plants I need to cover up. And then it's Operation Chicken Duty. The chickens are gonna clean up all this stuff. We don't have to pull any weeds because the chickens are gonna eat the weeds. Aren't you happy you don't have to pull the weeds?
Yay!
Yay! Yay for chickens, huh?
And then we eat them at breakfast on Sunday.
The chickens or the eggs?
The eggs.
Charity and Faith get to pull these ones. So you girls put them in there. Linus, I will show you the other patch. It's in the back, in the corner. Yep, back here. Good job. Go put it in the basket.
What's this?
That is broccoli flowers.
You really want
the chickens get to eat those. The sheep is not happy with us. We'll go feed her this carrot. It's got a hole and a slug in it. Little bitty! Want a carrot? You like carrots? You don't like carrots? The chickens will eat it. The chickens like carrots. You're gonna give everyone a kiss? Say hi. Hi, Roscoe! You come to join us? Hey, bud. Well, now you say hi. Say hi. Are you getting all the carrots out, Charity?
Yes.
Good job.
Look, cute. Look, we gonna eat them?
Yeah, we'll eat them for dinner.
See?
Good job. You can put them in there with the carrots.
That's a big plant. What is it?
That's a leek.
A leek?
A leek. It's like an onion.
Oh.
Oh.
I pulled out 3 at a time.
Oh, wow. Good job, Faith. 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5.
You got 5.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so you're going to get the chickens and put them over the fence?
Yes.
You're going to get the chickens when Linus puts them over the fence.
I hope I don't get pooped on.
Yeah, me too. And then you're going to bring them in here. Where's the chicken? How come you don't have the chicken? Take it in the back. Oh, muddy face.
On the fireless one.
Whoa. What you doing with that? I was trying to get chickens.
I'm going to do a video of chickens.
Okay, the chickens are out.
Chickens are packing to clean up. Why does this chicken boy? We're gonna eat eggs on Sunday. We have homemade chicken's eggs. Sometimes they're not that molting really much, but this is black.
It's been on this whole time. Get their faces.
This is my favorite. Here the video goes.
No, here like this. Back like this. Now can you see Mom?
Patrick. I see.
All right, mission accomplished. Green beans are down and out. We got our basket of stuff we're saving. My plants that I want to keep are covered or removed out of the greenhouse. And the chickens are going to do the rest of the work. We'll come back later in the day and see what progress they made. And hopefully they haven't kicked my hazelnut shells around too much. All right, we'll be back. Oh, bad hair day. Before we go check on the chickens and see how they did in the greenhouse, we're gonna go look for eggs that they should have laid before we put them in the greenhouse. Hi, little bitty. Got a bunch of eggs. Okay. You all got it good in here. Get you go to town. You're done? You're like, it's time. They say it's time to go to bed and we can't get out of the greenhouse. Huh. What else? Are you talking about it? Is it time to get out of here? You're gonna have to come back tomorrow. Here comes the Pied Piper. Thanks for your work, ladies. Chickens, they follow each other, but when you're on the wrong side of the fence, that doesn't do you any good. Now, where'd you go? And it's really wet. I need to get this camera out of the rain. Woo! Come on, chicken. I'll get it. Get the chicken! This would be easier if I wasn't holding anything. There you go, you get it. I'm gonna let him finish getting that. We're gonna grab our veggies. Shut the greenhouse, I'll get it. We'll save the rest of that for tomorrow. Thanks for joining us on the farm, and we will see you next Tuesday. Oh, one more thing. If you would like to learn about different ways that you can use chickens in your garden and around your home, make sure to grab that free printable up there, and the link will be down below. We'll see you Tuesday. St. Fiacre's Farm.
Fiacre.
Fiacre?
Fiacre.
Thanks for joining us on the farm.